All right, welcome folks to Let's Train Virtual Robots. I am looking at the student guide. This is called Lesson 1, Robot Vehicles, and we are going to download this from the or look at this from the Unreal Learning Kit that we are going to create here in a little bit. So let's just kind of orient ourselves to this guide, and I'm going to try to I'm not going to do all of this, but I'm going to guide you through some of the some of the pain points maybe. So I would like to point out that if you have not already downloaded the Unreal Engine, you'll need this handy dandy getting started guide here. That is going to be very helpful as you join us here on this fun journey. So let's start downloading the project. All right, folks, so here we are. I have my Epic Games launcher up, and you should go to Unreal Engine Marketplace. So we're going to go get the Unreal Learning Kit if you do not have it already. And so make sure you go to those two spots. So make sure in Unreal Engine Marketplace, and we are going to, that takes a while, we're going to go over here to the search box, and I am going to search for Unreal Learning Kit. All right, so we are going to look for this one, Unreal Learning Kit, now with robotics. All right, so you will have right here where mine says free, you're going to have one, if you don't have it already, it's going to say add to cart. So click on add to cart, and then it's going to be added up here to your shopping cart. So go ahead and click on your shopping cart, and it might say something like get or download, something like that. So make sure you get that Unreal Learning Kit into your library. So once that happens, it's not actually going to take you to the library. You're going to have to go there yourself. So once you have gone into your shopping cart, you're going to go up here to library, and you're going to find it down here in your vault. And oh gosh, my video might be in the way, but I think this will be fine. So look down here in your vault right here, and you might not have this many things, but we are looking for the Unreal Learning Kit there. And once you click Create Project, it is going to show up in your My Projects area. All right. So you have gone to your library, you have found the Unreal Learning Kit in your vault, and you are going to create project, which will now put it into your projects here. So let's take a pause for a minute and get the, we're going to get that Unreal Learning Kit all loaded up. The first time you open it, it's going to have a lot of shaders to compile, and you are going to notice when you open it, it's going to be caught up on like a certain percentage for a very long time. So go ahead and open it, let all those shaders compile, and let's meet up in just a little bit.